Haribol. Hola, yo me llamo Dhananjay Rondial y vivo aquí en Dehradun, que está en el norte de India. My name is Dhananjay Rondial and I live here in Dehradun, which is situated in the northern region of India. Vamos a estudiar el español. Let us go to study Spanish. Hoy vamos a estudiar el alfabeto. Today we'll study the alphabets. In Spanish we have, in English we have 26 alphabets, and in Spanish we have got 3 alphabets extra, so there are total 29 alphabets. So their writing pattern is exactly like in English, but their reading pattern is different. So like el alfabeto, O means or, el abecedario, I have written in Hindi also, el abecedario, which means the alphabets, which means the alphabets. So the writing pattern is exactly like that of English, but spoken pattern is different. A, B, C. You have to bring your tongue like this. Th or say. The original Spanish sound is th, and say is the Hispanic sound. So what is the difference between Spanish and Hispanic? Spanish is the language which is spoken in Spain, and Hispanic is a language, it is Spanish, but it's slightly different in pronunciation sometimes, somewhere. So that is spoken in the countries other than Spain, I mean in total Latin America. So sometimes you come across people, who pronounce it as say, or some say, you don't get confused, but this one is the original Spanish pronunciation. Then the next one is the achi, or some people read it as che. So for your benefit I have given you both, don't get confused. De, a, fe, he or he. Again, don't get confused. Some people might read it as he or some he. So I, being a teacher, it is my job to make you familiarize with both. Then this is achi, e, hota, same, hota and hota. Ka, le, aye. This double L will be considered as a single alphabet. So aye, or some people say aj. Both are correct. Ma, na. This is also na, but with the nasal sound. Na. That's it. Na, like that. So o, p, q, r, s, t, u, v doble, egis, or some people read as ekis, y, this is ekis, y, and this one is theta, again theta or theta. Original Spanish sound is theta, or some people read as theta. So you have noticed that there are 29 alphabets in Spanish language, and you can just learn them. A, B, C, C, A, C, D, E, like that. And then you can do, some practical things like, my name is Dhananjay Dhondial. Me llamo Dhananjay Dhondial. ¿Y cómo se escribe en español? How is it, spelled in Spanish, how it is written. And in Spanish, proper nouns will remain same, but the spelling, when I read the spelling, its pronunciation style will be different. De, H, A, N, A, N, A, and then this is Jota, A, Y, D, H, O, U, N, D, I, Y, A, L. D, H, A, N, A, N, J, A, Y, D, H, O, U, N, D, I, Y, L. धनंजय ढूंढिया जो vivo aquí en Dehradun. Mi ciudad se llama Dehradun. My city's name is Dehradun. Se escribe en español como esto. That is written in Spanish como en inglés, like in English. D, E, H, R, A, D, U, N, E. D, D, E, H, R, A, N, A, D, D, U, N, A. Dehradun. So this way you can practice Spanish alphabets. It will take 1 or 2 days for you. You can just spell your name, your family person's name, member's name, your friend's name, like that. And that way you can get, control over the alphabets very soon. So when you learn all these alphabets, then I will take you ahead with the next topic, which will be like some basic rules of Spanish language. So in my next video, we will do some basic rules of Spanish language, which will help you to read and understand Spanish language comfortably in a better way. So till then, adios, ciao, Hare Krishna. See you. Thank you.